I've never wanted to build humanoid robots, not myself, because there's so many other companies that are doing a good job building humanoid robots. And I've known for a few years now that they're on the edge of being real. And I've been waiting for that to happen because humanoid robots are not good enough to, let's say, replace a Navy SEAL. But they are good enough to replace, let's say, an elderly man. Like they can hobble around and pull levers and push buttons with about the same ability as a guy in his 90s, as I'd say where most humanoid robots are today. It turns out that if you can put a brain like Lattice into one of those robots, you can basically use that as a way to convert legacy weapon systems into AI-powered weapon systems. So imagine that I have an old Soviet-era surface-to-air missile launcher. And normally you need a bunch of guys to stand around it, watching a screen, picking out targets. They have to turn on the generator, right? You have to pull the lever, you have to prime the pumps, you got to put the choke and, start the whole thing up. But what if you could have a humanoid robot doing all of that? All of a sudden, this thing that used to have a bunch of humans that made it a really, really juicy target, now you can put it up on a hill and say, oh yeah, it's just a bunch of robots. And I've networked it into the greater hive mind. Now the data that it's collecting is being shared out to hundreds of other weapons in real time.